front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Files by Google. And download this app from Google Developer. When it's ready, launch it. This one is one of my favorites because it's easy to use, so I use it to clean storage on all devices I'm testing. All you need to do now, after opening it, is click Continue in the pop-up and tap on gray switcher next to Allow Permission. Now, every time you'll want to clean your storage on this tablet, launch Files app and tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Then select Clean at the top and tap on Clean next to Junk Files. Lastly, hit Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!